Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another Java tutorial. In this video, we are going to be going over inheritance. So, inheritance is a way that we can reuse certain methods from one class to another. So, there's two different types of classes. So, there's a subclass, and then there's a superclass. So, the subclass will inherit the attributes and the methods from the superclass. So I'm going to do an example here, which is going to make it very easy to understand. So let's say that we are a car company, and we have a car. We'll just name it Audi. Okay, so we have an Audi car, right? But we also have a BMW car. Okay, so we have two cars. We have the Audi car and we have the BMW car. Now in the Audi car, let's say we have a private string called make, and we'll equal this. We'll do model. We'll do model, and we'll equal this to A5. Right, it's just a type of model of the car. Right, and we'll do we'll just leave it at that. And then let's say in the BMW class, we have a different type of model in here. So we have private string model, and we'll equal this to a 5 series. Okay, so as the car company, right, we have two cars. So they have two different models. The Audi has an A5 and the BMW has a 5 series. Now imagine there's like a lot of different things in each one. But let's say that the Audi and the BMW share something in common. So an example could be both of these cars can honk. Let's say they both have 4 doors, something like that. We can link that now. So the way we do that is we'll create ourselves a new class, and we will name this. We'll just name it cars. Alright, so we have our new class here. Now, in here, what we can do is we can specify a method. So we'll do public, we'll return a void, and we'll do honk. Right? And we'll just print out do beep beep. Right? So these two classes have their own variables, right, that are unique to other. But now we can link both of these classes to this class here. They share the same method honk, so they can both these cars in honk. So the way that we can do that is we'll just have to extend. So we'll do extends cars. Alright. By doing extends cars is we are extending our class to this class here. So our class here now has access to everything that is inside of this class here. So this method, or this class, the Audi class, has access to this method here, the honk method. And then we can just do the same thing here. So we'll do extends cars, and it's the same thing here. So now if we go to our main, alright, we're going to create ourselves two objects. So the first one we'll do is Audi, and we'll just name it car1. New Audi. Okay, and then we will get ourselves a BMW. We'll do name this car 2. Then we'll do new BMW. And just like that. So if we look at this now, right? If I want to, let's say I print out, firstly what we'll have to do is I'm going to create ourselves two new methods in here. We're going to name a public. We're going to do public, we're going to return a string, and we're going to do get model, right? And we'll just return the model, and we can just copy this exact method inside of the BMW. So now, if I call this method here, right? So if we do card 1 dot, and then we can just do get model. Right. But then if you do the exact same thing with car 2, the BMW, car get model. If we run this, you can see we get an A5 and 5 series because we have a A5 in here and we have a 5 series. But now what we can do is both of these classes are linked to this class because they both share the honk method, because both of the cars can honk. So what we can do now is we can actually call that. So we do car1 dot honk. But the thing is, we can also do it with this one as well. Car honk. Now if we run this, you can see we get the A5 5 series, and then we get beep beep and beep beep, because now we are able to call this method, but you can see we never actually created an object from this method. We created an object from this method and this method, Audi and BMW. So Audi and BMW. But because we extended Audi with cars, we inherit everything from this class here. So that's how we are able to use this method, even though we never created an object from this class. So that's basically it with inheritance in Java. I hope this helped. I hope this video was very useful and now you can understand a bit better. I used this car garage example just to make it a bit easier. So I hope you enjoyed, hope it helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.